Okay, today we're talking about hardware and I need you to help me settle the debate. The customer's chosen the 6-inch Fremont pool from MTech Hardware in brushed nickel for all the doors, but we're not sure how it looks on the drawers. So our option is to use this 12-inch handle on the 2 drawers to give it better proportion. What do you think? So here's some other things to consider when you're picking hardware. If you're using multiple sizes for one project, make sure they're both the same projection and make sure they're both the same diameter so they look consistent throughout the room. Now here's another thing. When you're installing your hardware, consider using a hardware jig. They're really simple to use. All you need to do is line it up with your hardware, lock it in place, set your position where you want on the door, hold it up to the door, drill your holes, and you'll have a consistent location every time. So if you're interested in either one of these products, comment MTech and I'll send you all the information.